Hello friends, once again welcome back to my another video. Hope you all are fine and good. In this video you will see beautiful recycling craft, waste materials and into beautiful home decor items. Creative wonders from waste, a recycling craft project. This recycling material craft project is a unique blend of creativity, sustainability and environmental awareness. It involves transforming everyday waste materials into beautiful and functional decorative items, showcasing how we can give new life to things we usually throw away. In this project, a variety of recyclable materials such as plastic bottles, old newspapers, cardboard, tin cans, glass jars, fabric scraps, and bottle caps have been skillfully repurposed. The central idea behind this craft is to reduce waste by reusing materials that are readily available in every household. Instead of discarding these items, they are thoughtfully assembled to create art, demonstrating the principle of reduce, reuse, recycle. One of the highlights of the project is a flower vase made from an empty plastic bottle, wrapped neatly in colored paper from old magazines and decorated with buttons and sequins from old clothes. Handmade crafted flowers from tissue paper, plastic spoons, and painted bottle caps are placed inside, making the arrangement lively and colorful. The base of the vase is supported with a recycled cardboard platform cut into a creative design and painted using leftover poster colors. Additionally, the project includes a wall hanging art piece made from old CDs which are painted and joined together in a mosaic pattern. Strings made from unused wool or thread hold the CDs in place, turning the waste into a shining piece of art. The artwork not only adds beauty to any space but also sends a powerful message about the importance of recycling. The entire craft is a result of patience, imagination, and a strong desire to protect our environment. Through this project, we learn that waste is not always useless. With a little creativity, it can be transformed into something meaningful and inspiring. This recycling craft aims to spread awareness about environmental issues such as pollution and waste accumulation. It encourages people, especially children and students, to develop eco friendly habits by engaging in fun and useful recycling activities. It also teaches that art does not require expensive materials, even simple discarded items can be used to create beauty when combined with innovation. I really hope that you really like all the craft that I am shared in this video. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and please share my video at social sites, social groups, with your family members, with your friends and more. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be back soon with my another video with my another ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. God bless you.